Today we are going to make sweet potato burritos. Now I know that might sound a little strange, but bear with me, it's a really great plant-based vegetarian kind of burrito taco filling idea. So it comes together really quickly. I love it. It's something we've been making for years. This recipe comes from this sweet little booklet made from our friends Michelle Murphy and Matt Price. It's called Recipes for Friends with Little Time and Big Appetites. The only thing I've ever made out of it is this sweet potato burrito recipe. And I can't really say what the rest of the recipes are like, but this one is amazing. We make it all the time. I love it. It's also very simple. The most time-consuming part really is the peeling. And then we're just gonna cut them into sizes that will fit in this food processor so that we can get this grated quickly. And then once you have this fully grated, we're gonna saute the onions in some oil in a pan. This is 3 tablespoons sliced onion and garlic. And then just saute those until translucent. We're not, caramelizing these and cooking them way down or anything. And then we'll add our seasonings, the cumin, chili powder, Mexican oregano, cayenne, and salt. Give that a little stir just till it's fragrant. And then we'll add all that sweet potato. And then just toss to get all of that seasoning and oil all around the sweet potato. And then to speed the cooking up a little bit, you could put the lid on just to steam. You do want to keep stirring though, because that it will start to stick. And then I just warmed up one of these on the burner. Put some of your seasoned sweet potato filling in there. Cheddar cheese. Okay, that was a lot. You can of course use whatever cheese you like. I just feel like the sharp cheddar is such a nice contrast against the sweetness of the sweet potato. And then you can just put on whatever other toppings you like. Tomatoes and lettuce. In this case I have spinach. And then of course hot sauce. This hot sauce is pretty hot, so don't want to overdo it. And that's it. That's our sweet potato burritos. Woo! Got a bite of that hot sauce. The sweet potato is well seasoned and it's a great contrast against the cheddar cheese and the fresh veggies. It tastes great. This is a wonderful weeknight meal. It comes together quickly and I think you're gonna like it. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And you can listen to the Earth Eats podcast at eartheats.org or wherever you get your podcasts. We'll see you next time.